The Swallow-Tailed Manakin. In this video, you'll learn about the swallow-tailed manakin's habitat, appearance, diet, and nest quality. The scientific name for the swallow-tailed manakin is Charaxophia caudata. The area on the globe in green is where the swallow-tailed manakin is known to be seen. Wet and humid lowland tropical forests, lowered tree canopies, densely forested and hidden areas are places where this little bird likes to live. The appearance of the swallow-tailed manakin. The swallow-tailed manakin is a small Sebastian. It's chunky, it's robust, it has elongated central tail feathers, and its body length measures 15 centimeters. As you can tell by the images, the adult male and the adult female look nothing alike. The swallow-tailed manakin's diet consists of small fruits, insects, and seeds. The swallow-tailed manakin's nest is made into a cup, and its clutch is 1 to 2 eggs. However, it's unknown how often the swallow-tailed manakin makes these nests. But we do know that these nests are suspended from a small tree or shrub and made of dry plant fibers, fungal roots, and moss. Now let's take a closer look at the swallow-tailed manakin.